Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, grade 4 girls. Today we have our new lesson, our grammar lesson today. Page 399. Open your readers and writers, page 399. Our grammar topic today, or our lesson today in grammar, is capitalization and abbreviation. Capitalization and abbreviation, okay? Capitalization and abbreviation, okay? Capitalization and abbreviations. It means that you will put capital letters. Capitalization and abbreviation means that you will put capital letter here. Yes, our lesson today is capitalization and abbreviations. Open your book, as I said, page 399. Okay, are you ready? Capitalization means to make it capital. You got it? To make the letter capital. It means when should I make the letter capital? When should I make the letter capital? When I should capitalize the letter. Okay? Okay? Are you with me now? Okay. Here are some rules for capitalizing proper nouns. Here are some rules for capitalizing proper noun. Okay? Proper nouns. Yes, because we are number one, we should capitalize the proper noun. You remember the proper noun? We should capitalize the proper noun. We should capitalize the proper noun. Yes, here. Yes. Number one, capitalize the first word and every important word of a proper noun. So what we mean here is that we should capital the proper noun. Capitalize the first word and every important word of proper noun. Okay, first of all, the first letter in any sentence or the first letter in the question or the sentence, it should be capital. This is number one. Put in your mind. Okay, then if you have a proper noun, it should start with capital letter. It should start with capital letter. Proper nouns name particular persons, places, or things. Names of magazine. Name of magazine. So name of a person. Name of a place. Name of a thing. Name of a magazine. The name of a newspaper. The name of any art work. The name of any musical composition. The name of any organization. All these are names, and all these we call it proper nouns. Proper nouns means names. Names of a particular thing. Maybe a person, maybe a place, maybe thing. You remember? Hala, proper noun. Judy, proper noun. Ahmad, proper noun. El Hassa, proper noun. Saudi Arabia, proper noun. Egypt, proper noun. For example, Mediterranean Sea or Red Sea, proper noun. Any ocean, for example, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Any names of places even, like McDonald's, like Otham Mall, Otham, proper noun. O should be capital. So persons, places, things, name of anything, it will be proper noun. So if it is a proper noun, it should be capital. It should be capital. Start with capital letter. It should start with capital letter. You got it? Here like Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe. Here Jim is capital. T in Thorpe also is capital because it's a name. Pro Football Hall of Fame. It's a name also of a composition. People Weekly. It's a name of magazine. Should be People capital, Weekly capital. New York Times. It's a magazine or newspaper. It should be capital. N capital, Y capital, T capital. The Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. It's a picture. It's a picture, a work of art picture. So M capital, L capital. Swan Lake, it's a place, should be capital. S capital, Lake capital. Syria Club, it's a place. So if it is a place, it should start with capital letters. Put in your mind, any proper noun means any name should start with capital letter. Okay, after what we have, number 2, capitalize the first letter of an abbreviation. Capitalize both letters in a state postal abbreviation. If we have abbreviation of a street or avenue or a place, if there is abbreviation, so then first it will be capital, for like that. 227 Topeka Avenue. A is capital, T is capital, Fargo, ND. F is capital, ND also should be capital because it's abbreviation. Number 3, this is number 1, we're done with capital, with proper noun. Number 2, capitalize the first letter if we have abbreviation. For example, here, capitalize days of the week, or months of the year, or holidays. So days of the week, months of the year, it should be capital. Or holidays like Memorial Holiday, or Memorial Day, or National Day, or Mother's Day, it should be capital also. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, all should start with capital letter. Months of the year should start with capital letter. For example, October, November, December, it should start with capital letter. And if it is holidays, we said like National Day, it should start with capital letter. Memorial Day, here memorial start with capital, and day also with capital. Number 4, capitalize titles that are used before people names. For example, Miss Hiba, Mrs. Hiba, Mrs. Hala, Mrs. Bandari. M should start with capital letter. Okay, here Coach and Mr. Warner. Here C is the beginning of the sentence, and Mrs. Warner. M should be capital, like you will say Mrs. Hiba or Mrs. Bandari. Here M should be capital. Okay, asked to come to their house. Capitalize the first word in a direct quotation. Direct quotation means if there is a quotation. See, this is quotation. This is the quotation marks. Quotation marks. So between these quotation marks, it's a sentence. It's a sentence. Should start with capital letter. If it is a sentence or a question, between quotation marks, you remember we took these quotation marks. This one and this one. Here you have a sentence or a question in between. It should start also with capital letter. You understand? So, capitalization and abbreviation. When should I capitalize the letters? Number 1, if it is a proper noun. Number 2, in abbreviation. Number 3, if it is week or months of the year or holidays. Number 4, if it is before title, it's like titles. For example, doctor also, doctor. Dr dot, you will capitalize D, the letter D. Dr. Ahmad, Dr. Muhammad, you will write Dr. Dot or period Muhammad or full stop Muhammad. So you will write D capital, R capital, okay? And Muhammad, if it is a name like Warner here, it should be capital. Muhammad, Ahmad, all these are proper nouns. Proper nouns should start with capital letter. Okay. Capitalize the first word in direct quotation. If you have quotation here, quotation means talk. what you said here. It's a direct quotation between two quotation marks. It's a sentence or a question. It should start with capital letter. And put in your mind that letter I. The letter I should be capitalized in any place. If it is in the beginning, in the end, at the end, or in the middle, it should be capital. The letter, no, sorry. The pronoun I, not letter I. The pronoun I. I am Ahmed. The pronoun I. Pronoun I. Again, the pronoun I should be capital if it is in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. The pronoun I. Pronoun I am Ahmed. I should be capital. I if it is in the beginning. I if it is in the beginning, in the middle, or in any place. The pronoun I. The pronoun I, it should be capital in any place. Okay. We have here a worksheet as an example. I want you to answer it with me here. I'll send also this worksheet and another worksheet here. Yes, here. Read the sentence and rewrite them with the correct capitalization on the line. For example, Max Smith will be going to see Mr. Chomp Russell Friday night. So here what I will do, yes, here, yes. For example, number 1, M should be capital. Yes, because it's a name. M should be capital. Yes, here. Sorry. M should be capital. And also, wait 1 second. I don't know what's going on. Yes, here M should be capital. Smith will be going to see Mr. Here. Number 1, M should be capital, right? Here. Number 1, M should be capital. Yes. And what else? Yes. M should be capital. Smith should be capital. Mr. To see Mr. Mr. M of Mr. Only M, not R. Only M should be capital. Mr. Only M should be capital. Oh my God. Yes, let's remove it. Yes. Only M should be capital. Yes. Here, Chomp. Only M should be capital here. We're done with this. Only M should be capital. Yes. Chomp. C should be capital because it's a name of Mr. Chomp. Russell Friday night. Here, Friday, because it's a name of a day. F should be capital. Okay. After, as I said, the first letter in any sentence should be capital. So M here is capital. Maggie said we need to go to the Greenfield Center Saturday to watch wrestling. Take care. Here, quotation marks. It's a quotation word here. Quotation marks. If we have a sentence or a question between two quotation marks, the first letter should be capital. So W will be capital. We need to go to the Greenfield Center. It's capital. Green here capital, and center also it's a capital because it's a name. Okay, so it's already capitalized. Saturday, because it's the name of the day, it should be capital here. Okay, you done? That's it. Number 3. I hate, as I said, I hate that my favorite wrestler, Big Tom, doesn't wrestle anymore. Okay, here I said the pronoun I should be capital in any place. The pronoun I should be capital in any place. If it is in the beginning, in the middle, at the end, it should be capital. Okay, you got it? Okay, here. that my favorite wrestler, Big Tom. His name is Big Tom. So B should be capital. T also should be capital. Okay? Finish. After, we have here, I'll send you this worksheet and you will complete it. And also I'll send another worksheet. Okay? Niles and Michael both got tickets for the wrestling match on February 3rd. Okay. Here Niles, because it's in the beginning of the sentence, it should be capital. In the beginning of the sentence, it should be capital. Niles and Michael. Michael is a name, proper noun. It should be capital M. Okay. For the wrestling match on February. February, it's the name of the month. The name of the month. Okay, so F should be capital. Okay. Here, Dr. Samuel. You remember when I said Dr. Ahmed? So, doctor, we should, because it's abbreviation, D should be capital. D. Yes. D should be capital. Should be capital. Samuel. Samuel, it's a name. So, S should be capital. Samuel said Patrick's wrist was sprained, so he can't wrestle on Wednesday. Here, because it's a quotation mark, so the beginning, it should be capital. This letter P, it should be capital. Should be capital. Okay? Patrick, because it's a name even, it should be capital. Wrist was sprained, so he can't wrestle on Wednesday. Wednesday, it's a name of day of the week. Yes, it's a day of the week. So W should be capital. Okay. Okay. So today our lesson was capitalization and abbreviation. This one, capitalization and abbreviation. Actually, it's in your readers and writers notebook. So I want you to open and start answering the page in readers and writers notebook, and then also the worksheet for today. Thank you for today. Go and study. If you have any doubt, immediately call me or send message via WhatsApp. Okay, girls. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.